Social Science, Grade 4, Block 12, Coastal Plains and Islands by Teacher Shikha, LP 3 and 4. Living on an Island. Students should be able to locate the islands of India on the map. Children, here I want you all to notice that where is Lakshadweep located? Where are the Andaman and Nicobar Islands located? Can you see how big or small these islands are? Which of the two groups of islands has bigger islands? Which group has more number of islands? Which group is nearer to the Indian mainland? Which of these island groups is the southernmost point of India? So basically here I want to focus you on my first question, what is an island? Let's find the answer of this question. Children, an island is small piece of land surrounded by water from all sides. The mainland on the other hand is very large in size. An island is a physical feature, but a mainland can have many physical features. Because an island is surrounded by water from all sides, so the people living in the island face no shortage of water. Children, do you agree? The coastal plains are more fertile because it gets fresh water from rain and rivers. An island, on the other hand, is surrounded by sea, which is salt water and not very useful. Understood, children? So, if we compare both the areas, coastal plains and island, what kind of climate is found in the coastal plains? Is the climate of island similar to that of a coastal plain? Do you think that the life in an island would also be similar to the life in the coastal plains? Let's read this small story of Adila living on an island. Adila lives on one of the islands in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Her father is a farmer. The people living there also catch fish and sea animals for food. Besides collecting fruit and honey from the forest, they speak the Andamanese language. Adila lives in a wooden house with a thatched roof. She helped her parents build this house by collecting the woods, leaves, and grass needed to build it. The climate of their island is hot and humid. Adila loves the wind coming from the sea and loves her airy house. Her mother makes beautiful necklaces using seashells. So children, let's discuss about Adila. Adila lives in a small island of Andaman group. The physical feature and climate will be same for all the people. So other people in the islands will be living a similar life as Adila. Another point to be noticed, both Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar are island groups. So the climate too is likely to be same. Therefore, we can say that the life of people in terms of what they eat and wear will also have some similarities. Now let's focus on the lesson. Islands are small pieces of land surrounded by water on all sides. The island groups are located on both sides of Lakshadweep. Is located in the west in the Arabian Sea, while Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in the east in in the Bay of Bengal, Lakshadweep. This is a group of 36 islands. 36 islands? Wow. Of which only a few are inhabited. The capital of Lakshadweep is Kavarati. Most of the people living in Lakshadweep speak Malayalam. Lakshadweep is a beautiful tourist spot and attracts people from all over the world. The main job of the people living in the Lakshadweep island is fishing. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. This is a group of about 572 islands, of which only 38 are inhabited. The capital is Port Blair. The main languages spoken here are Bengali, Tamil, Telugu, and local languages of the Andamanese and Nicobarese people. The famous Cellular Jail is a major tourist attraction in Port Blair. People here lead a simple life and are close to nature. Hunting and fishing are their main jobs, though some people also do farming. Wow, what an attractive piece of knowledge. Children, as we have learned today a lot about islands, we came to know that how many group of islands are there in certain part of island which are located in India. That's a very good knowledge for us to learn and understand our own country. Children, please do the reading of the lesson again and again and try to memorize the names of the important places mentioned in your textbook. Have a great day ahead. Take care of your near and dear ones. Thank you. Bye bye.